For this tutorial, all you need is paper, a rubber, a pencil, assorted brushes, masking tape and acrylic paint. Or if you haven't got acrylic paint, you can use felt tips, pencil crayons, whatever you have on hand. Start off by drawing the first letter of your name in the middle of the page in bubble writing. You can ask an adult to help you to do this if you cannot do it yourself. For this piece, you are basically going to be making a lovely stencil piece that you can hang up anywhere in your home. For this tutorial, you have two options. You can either use masking tape to cover your entire letter, or you can actually cut out your letter and stick it on with masking tape. I will show you both ways and you can decide how you want to do it. So with option 1, you can use the masking tape and cover the entire letter of your first name. Or you can draw out the letter again on a separate piece of paper and cut it out. Once you have cut it, you can then get some masking tape and apply it at the back of your letter and stick it straight onto your plain piece of paper in the middle of the page. Be careful when cutting out. Ask a grown-up to help you if you need to. So for my piece, I decided to go with the second option of sticking the letter on a piece of paper. Once you have stuck the letter down in the middle of your page, you can then get your paintbrushes and use your paint and paint all on top of the page. You can do whatever you want to. You can do patterns, you can paint different colours together to create a rainbow effect like I have. You can be as creative as you want to. Like I said at the start of the video, you don't have to use paint. You can use felt tips, you can use crayons, you can use whatever you have at home. And don't worry about painting over your letter because that is going to be peeled away at the end. If you want to be a bit more creative, you can even use finger painting like I have done for the border by using different colours and dots. You may even decide that you want to put paint on your hand and do a handprint, or you might even want to draw a picture by doing a finger painting on top of your background. Once you are happy with your piece, you can then slowly pull away the letter that you stuck on top with masking tape, and there you will have your finished piece. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.